Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds, and I've got a quick unboxing to do on some moon boots. Let's see, from Offsacks, so I'm gonna get right to it because this camera is probably cut off on me again. So, cut it off and get right to them. And these are just super cute little booties. They became popular not long ago. And so, there we go. Just absolutely darling. And I'll do some mod shots of, when they're beautifully lined. This is suede. And they have some like Chloe that looks almost exactly like these, except for this is leather. Of course, this is suede, but and it has Chloe across the back. And these do say moon boot, but right down here at the bottom. So I just think they are super, super cute. They come just in time. We're getting our first cold snap. And so I'm excited to get these little troopers. And that's at Saks All Fit. And I'll list the link in the description box below. It says moon boot on the tag. And aren't they just too cute? Very soft and very warm. A lot of cushion on the inside. And the way I've got you set up today, I won't be able to try these on and show them to you, but I will take a photo or video of them on my feet and attach it to this video. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And know that you are worth everything that you've ever dreamed of. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next unboxing.